guys, it's Lily Sparkles and I'm going to do some poetry today with my nanny. Okay, so dress it first. Can you see that? Okay. Gesso. It's called gesso, I know that.
Yeah.
What am I saying? Okay.
No, in the corners.
Oh, yeah.
One.
Okay. Don't think I put enough in this.
Yeah. No, it's fine. You got enough to do the other one?
Don't know.
Might have to have a little bit more, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Might as well use it up as well, that's
Yeah.
right.
Okay, wait for that to spread.
Yeah.
Then we're going to add the white. Right, so we started with this one. Oh, okay. Oh, that's fun.
That's fine. Yeah.
It needs to get it's more spread.
That's it. Again.
Okay.
Lovely.
Next one.
That's some nice lilac. Yeah.
Okay. Finger.
Yeah.
Right, another purple. It's really like a nice
You might
purple.
not have enough of that. might you,
Yeah.
by the look of it.
Just gonna add some more purple in.
Okay.
Right. Now we're gonna pull it over the whites. Okay.
That's all right. Yeah.
Okay. Now this one. Oh, God. Okay.
Lovely. And the silver.
My favourite. I don't want to throw it away. Oops. I'm going overboard with the silver. Okay. Then a little bit in here. Probably not.
No.
Really runny.
Yeah.
Okay. And this one. Okay, this one.
Not too much. That's it.
I was like, oh! Right,
Bit more.
okay. And then we're going to stir it with a steak. Sticky wicky.
That's it.
Okay, right.
Then gently, not too quickly, just mix it through. That's it.
When
just
you have it like that, it's like so...
That's it. Wait a minute. See how it goes now.
Okay.
Just tilt it a little bit.
It's that side. I like that,
Wow.
that's nice.
Lovely colours, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah. It's like an eye there. It's just
We
serving.
can get it over now. Whee!
We can use one of these.
And you can blow it if you want to. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of getting nasty. Yeah.
I won't do too much now because it will go too dark.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There we are.
You can take it off into the corners by doing that.
Yeah.
No, blow it that way. That's it.
Oh.
That's it. That's it.
It's really helpful, like blowing it into places.
Yeah. Do the other
Oh, it's going in.
Oh. Do this side now. And I think that's enough then, won't you? Cover this corner. That's it. Wow. There we are. Lovely.
Quite nice.
And that